Good day, grade 9 students. Today is our second video and we are still in the Unit 2 real numbers under a new topic, square roots. I am your teacher Odell, teaching grade 8 math today. Let us start. We all know that the square root of 2 is an irrational number. If we use a calculator to get the value of root 2, you will get the value of like 1.41421356230 and so on. This value that you get is actually a non-terminating. It is never ending. Also, you will not find any pattern in the digits after the decimal, and hence it is called a non-recurring decimal. There is no pattern that occurs again and again. These kinds of numbers are called irrational numbers. Consider the square root of 3. You will get the value of 1.732050807 and so on. Even this number is also a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. So root 3 is also called an irrational numbers. You can try calculating the values of root 5, root 6, root 7, and root 8. You will find that all of them result in non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. But wait, root 9 equals to 3. This is a rational number. Yes, root 9 is not an irrational numbers. In fact, square root of 9 or square root of any perfect square will be a rational or irrational numbers. But the square root of any number which is not a perfect square will always result in an irrational number. Here's the interesting part. If you know these 2 points well, you can even form an irrational number by yourself. Let's try it. We have to form a number which does not end and does not repeat any pattern. Something like 2.0100100001 and so on. Here, the number does not end and it also non-repeating or no pattern. This means that there is no pattern that repeats forever. You can even have a number like 15.2349 4449, 4449, and so on. This is also an irrational and non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So how did this help us? So let's say, for example, you are asked to find two irrational numbers between 1.23 and 1.25. Remember, 1.24 is incorrect because it is a non-terminating. We need a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. But 1.24 is, yes, between these two numbers. After 1.24, we can start writing 01, 001, 0001, and so on. That's one irrational number between these two numbers. Again, you can try like this: 1.2402, 002, 0002, and so on. After it, that's your second irrational number. So to find irrational numbers between two numbers, just write a rational number between them and add non-terminating and non-recurring digits after that decimal. Okay, do you understand? So let us review our lesson for today. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed in the form of P over Q or a fraction. So always remember, we cannot express or we cannot change a number into a fraction. That will become irrational numbers if you cannot change the number into fraction, wherein P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay, and the second one is non-terminating numbers after the decimal point, and non-recurring decimal are also irrational numbers. And all the square root of a non-perfect square number, those are irrational numbers too, because when you get the value of those numbers, you can have a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Okay, so this ends our topic today. So we will see each other for the third video, and credits to this video don'tmemorize.com, and do not forget to answer the following questions that follow to this video in the Google Forms. So thank you, students, and goodbye.